Wrapping her hands, flame in yours, but maps don't fix what's still on the floor. You can light it up, you can call it new, but some things don't disappear just because you move. You call it healing, call it fate, but healing don't happen this way. If it was real, it would hold its ground, not build something new while the old breaks down. She holds the map, tells you where to go. You hold the fire, keep the feeling close. Sounds like balance when you say it out, but look at it clear when you strip it down. You're carrying light, she's setting the path, but who's holding truth from what you had? Who's standing still with what's still real while you both decide what to keep or conceal? That's not healing, that's rearranging. Peace is still living, just re-explaining. Calling it growth don't make it clean when something real is still in between. Still there, not gone, held on. Held on. You say it matters, say it's alive, but some things don't line up when you look twice. What gets said, what gets left out, what keeps running without a doubt? Some things don't pause when you walk away, don't disappear just because you change. Still wake up, still stay in place, still hold together day by day. And it's strange how things still reach pieces of something that were meant for me. Still find a way, still come through clear, like they were meant to land somewhere over here. If it's so honest, if it's so true, why does it shift depending on who is hearing it or seeing the frame? Why does the story keep changing shape? And some things don't stop existing just because you stop looking. Some things don't fall apart, they just keep holding quiet, steady, without needing to be seen. Wrapping her hands, flame in yours, but maps don't fix what's still on the floor. You can light it up, you can call it new, but some things don't disappear just because you move. You call it healing, call it fate, but healing don't happen this way. If it was real, it would hold its ground, not build something new while the old breaks down. It's not a story. If it's still happening, some things don't move, they just hold. You say you stayed for you. I heard what you wanted me to hear. You write it like you chose that place, like you stood firm and never swayed, like even when you pulled away, you stay right there for you to stay. And you made sure it carried through, every word landing where it would. Like I hear it and understand that he didn't stay where I stand. You say stay, you wanted that hurt, made sure I heard him stayed for you. Like that would prove what you think is true, like everything we had was just too much, and you're the place he holds on to now. You say it's steady, you say it clear, but I know why you needed me to hear it. You say it was chaos, too much to hold, like love gets lost when life gets heavy. Look what we built just fell apart, and you're the calm he found instead. But I remember what that was, not just the weight, but everything it held. When it broke, he didn't stand, he tried to stop before it went there. You say he stayed, he hesitated. You made sure I heard him, stayed for you. Like that would rewrite what we went through. Like I believe he chose that place and walked away from everything we made. You say it's steady, you say it's true, but that's not what he tried to do. You shaped the words he didn't say. You placed them where I'd hear them that way. He didn't stay, he paused instead. You turned that moment into something said. You don't know where that story began, or everything that built that man. Through secrets held and things unsaid, through plans that failed, through days of dread, through life brought in and life laid down, through sickness heavy, through loss that drowned, through every version he's ever been. I didn't step in. It's not confusion, it's not random. Watch it closer. She says don't get close, then pulls you in. Says she needs space, then does it again. Something about it don't sit like fear. It's the way it repeats, it's the way it appears. Keeps you right there in the middle of it. Not fully in, but she never quite quit. If it was real, it wouldn't shift, it would